Welcome to Novela, where you will acquire digital skills through story-driven simulations. Our unique approach to active learning uses authentic marketing data to give you hands-on experience. Have you ever wondered why you see ads when you go on social media or a search engine? In the background, advertisers are bidding in an auction to show their ads to users like you. In Novela, you'll step into a marketer's shoes at a fictional retailer, facing very real challenges. You'll converse with interactive personas, gaining insights to inform your strategy. You'll pick keywords and audiences based on real marketing data, understanding the importance of balancing volume, competition, and relevance. Next, you'll set bids to compete in the auction, a delicate balancing act to optimize visibility while ensuring profitability. The bid you enter is the maximum you are willing to pay for each individual action. You'll craft compelling ad copy, creating a message that entices customers to click on your ad. If you need help, ask Ella for her analysis. When you're ready, hit Go Live and it will run in Novela's ad auction, which contains hundreds of real-world data points and is built to mimic the complexity of Google, Bing, and Meta ads. Analyze your results and submit to the leaderboard to compare with other players. Hit play again and you can try another set of strategic choices. Welcome to Novela. Play, explore, and master digital skills.